Broome County District Attorney Mike Korchak says he's able to speak freely now about a highly publicized case of public corruption now that both defendants' cases have been resolved. Korchak held a news conference today following the sentencing yesterday of former DA's office employee Jim Worhach. Worhach and former District Attorney Steve Cornwell both pled guilty to stealing public documents detailing each of their criminal histories. Worhach is also guilty of receiving improper county reimbursement from fraudulent vouchers that paid for his private parking space. Worhach was sentenced to 2 to 4 years in state prison yesterday, although he's been given the opportunity to complete a 3-month stay in a substance use treatment facility, followed by supervised release. Worhach stole files related to his 2014 conviction for felony DWI. Cornwell, who received a conditional discharge and lost his law license, not only stole his files, but changed both men's names in the DA's office computer system to Stephen Johnson and James Smith. DA's office investigator Jeff Wagner says he was shocked to learn about Cornwell's extensive criminal background, including a 1993 arrest for forgery, criminal trespass, and criminal impersonation, a 1995 case involving DWI and the felony assault of an Endicott police officer, and a 1996 arrest for disorderly conduct.
Mr. Cornwell hired me. That was not an easy investigation on my part. For 31 years, being a law enforcement official, I would expect our district attorney to have integrity. Mr. Cornwell didn't, and that was troubling.
Korchak took the opportunity to lash out at his Republican primary opponent, Paul Battisti's campaign, as well as criticize media coverage of the race. Battisti issued a statement yesterday slamming Korchak for his campaign's payment of $800 to Worhach back in December. Korchak says the payment was the result of a judge's ruling that he owed Worhach money for work Worhach had done on behalf of his 2019 campaign. Korchak says he had considered Worhach a volunteer. The current DA says his opponents are spreading half-truths and misinformation about his record.
There's career politicians over in that camp supporting him, and everyone has a right to support whoever they want. However, there is corruption in Broome County, and as long as I'm district attorney, I'm going to be investigating it and prosecuting it. And if people don't like that, well, then they don't like it. And if they're afraid of that, then they're afraid of that, and we'll let the chips fall where they may.
Battisti responded that Broome County is less safe than when Korchak took office. Battisti says crime is up, criminal cases are not being prosecuted, and fentanyl is killing too many people.